The 2026 Aprilia RS660 is here to redefine what a middleweight sport bike truly means, and the moment you lay eyes on it, you instantly realize this is not just an upgrade. It's a statement of performance, design, and pure racing DNA coming straight from Aprilia. Built with aggressive styling that blends sharp aerodynamics with a futuristic touch, the 2026 RS660 looks like it's ready to dominate both the streets and the track. The front fascia features redesigned LED headlights with a more piercing DRL signature, giving it a bold and premium look, while the aerodynamic winglets subtly integrated into the fairing improve stability at high speeds. As you move around the bike, the lightweight aluminum chassis stands out, engineered to deliver the perfect balance between rigidity and agility, making every ride feel controlled yet thrilling. Under the fairing lies a refined 659 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that produces even more responsive power than before, delivering smooth acceleration and a punchy mid-range that riders love, whether they are carving through corners or opening the throttle on a straight road. What makes the 2026 RS660 truly special is how it combines performance with advanced technology, making it not only fast but also incredibly smart. The bike comes equipped with an upgraded APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control system, offering multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking adjustments, and cruise control, all managed through a crisp and vibrant TFT display that keeps everything at your fingertips. The quickshifter ensures seamless gear changes, adding to the overall racing feel, while the improved suspension setup provides better feedback and comfort, making it suitable for both aggressive track riding and daily use. The braking system has also been enhanced with high-performance Brembo components, ensuring strong and precise stopping power, giving riders the confidence to push their limits safely. One of the biggest highlights of this bike is its versatility. Unlike many supersport motorcycles that are strictly track-focused, the RS660 is designed to be an everyday sport bike that doesn't compromise on comfort. The ergonomics have been slightly refined, offering a more relaxed riding position without losing that sporty feel, which means longer rides are now more enjoyable without fatigue. The seat design, handlebar positioning, and foot peg placement all work together to create a rider-friendly experience, making it perfect for both beginners stepping into the sport bike world and experienced riders looking for a balanced machine. The sound of the 2026 Aprilia RS660 is another aspect that adds to its charm, with a deep, throaty exhaust note that perfectly matches its aggressive personality. It's the kind of sound that turns heads wherever you go, making every ride feel like an event. And when it comes to design options, Aprilia offers stunning new color schemes that enhance the bike's visual appeal, ensuring it stands out in any crowd, whether parked or in motion. The attention to detail in paint quality, graphics, and finishing truly reflects the premium nature of the bike. In today's competitive sport bike segment, the 2026 RS660 positions itself as one of the most complete packages available, offering a rare combination of style, performance, technology, and comfort. It's not just about speed, it's about the overall riding experience, the connection between rider and machine, and the thrill that comes with every twist of the throttle. Whether you're creating content for your YouTube channel, chasing views, or simply passionate about bikes, this machine has everything needed to capture attention and keep viewers engaged from start to finish. The 2026 Aprilia RS660 isn't just a motorcycle. It's an experience, a lifestyle, and a perfect example of how modern engineering can deliver both excitement and everyday usability in one stunning package.